Hey, how's it going, guys? Give me a sec. I'm pushing an update because we found out a pretty big no-no in Lorem. Which goes to show how fucking broken this game can be. Hopefully. This should compile. Please compile. What's up, I Love? What's up, Quacks? What's up, Luke? Chow, what's up, Pat, man? Why? Huh? I don't get it. Wait. So confused. Shouldn't it be, yeah, shouldn't it be this version? Wait. That might be why. I hope I don't break something with Lorem. Download started. Installed true. Okay, so we discovered some really big issues with Lorem. So I think this must have happened back when my PC broke. And I had to restart the list from scratch. What's up, Disclo? Well, I didn't restart from scratch, but I restarted some things from scratch. Okay, hopefully this goes through. And then once this goes through, I'm gonna open up Eternal Edition and stuff. Is Root Builder open perms? This issue. Okay, so the issue is the base files got uncleaned. And so now we suspect that the issues that some folks have in Whiterun are due to this. So this might fix a lot of problems with Whiterun, with Dawnguard, with Dragonborn, but I just need this damn thing to compile. Okay, how though? What is it smoking? Root Builder, okay. Lorem plugins. Work. Okay. Plugins are good. Okay. Compiling lists is fun, guys. You glad to see me go through this stuff? I love doing this, and then my reward is being yelled at by folks. The best. All right, this should go through. We all suffer together. Hose mad tag roll for those who want it. That'd be pretty funny. What's good, Xeno? I think the craziest thing to me is how this stuff is somehow intuitive and counterintuitive at the same time. Yeah, my role is hose mad. I don't know what what am I supposed to tell the folks anymore? Like, I need my own custom installer. What size for Eternal? I don't know. Okay, thank God it's compiling. I don't look at size. Like, I don't see a good reason to limit a mod list to like a specific size. Like, I mean, I try to cut the fat later. Like, Lorem probably has a good 100 to 200 gigs that I cut out of it by removing redundant files, packing BSAs, and stuff like that. But no, I don't say like, hey, I'm gonna make this mod list this specific size. I'm just like, I'm gonna add what I like. Good night, Tormentor. Compiling Eternal? No. Eternal has so much unfinished stuff. Oh, I'm going to at some point on Ko-fi, Patreon, and YouTube members community, I'm going to poll stuff related to Eternal Edition, so you guys will have a say in like the shape of the list, sort of thing, you know? Yo, Austin with the 16 months. Will you guys please put me in the next Reddit post, please? Yo, I appreciate it, Austin. I've learned to stop engaging with the nasty Reddit posts or just nasty comments related to Lorem anyway. I see a bunch of them. After that last one, that one I think broke me in the sense that I genuinely don't give a fuck anymore. People can be mad and say stupid shit all they want. The really toxic ones? Well, that last one was just filled with lies. So I'm like, what am I supposed to do? Like, here's the thing. When they lie, it feels like, what is it? Is it worse to just say nothing, or is it worse to defend yourself? Is it, like, there's no winning. But so much of the allegations is like, just trust me, bro. One of the things was like, somebody said something about somebody got banned because their tits were the wrong cup size. Oh, but my OBS wasn't recording, so just trust me, bro. It's like, and I talked to the people involved, and they're like, that did not fucking happen. I'm like, yeah. I mean, like, I feel like I would have heard about that instantly if it happened. I was like, what? Yeah, exactly, Lo-Fi. That one was just like funny and weird. It's like, and people believe that? People believe that we banned for the wrong tit size? And then the guy like posted, the guy really tried hard. I mean, he's a liar to begin with, because this is the same dude that said 40 people were banned. And I'm like, there wasn't that many people banned. It was like on a day or something. And then he's like, I exaggerate, it's 15 to 20. I'm like, it's not even 15 to 20. But yeah. Exactly, Austin. What's up, Nico? No matter what, you're gonna get people who hate. Lore trim is installable again. Also, I pushed a critical update to lore rim. Basically, the base files somehow got uncleaned. This led to deleted nav meshes and records. Thanks, Todd. I have re-cleaned them. I suspect that this will help those still having ILS issues in Whiterun. Please give it a try. Now I'll be nice by adding a smiley face at the end of each ping. All right, Eternal Edition. I don't get why people are so after you. So it's like a very small but insanely loud handful of people who got banned. Oh, Vocord got an update. It's just an insanely small but loud group of people who got banned, and then they like, I don't know, they can't handle it. That's, their life is over if they end up getting banned from a Discord. Oh, I don't plan on using Onslaught. I don't plan on using enemy Onslaught. I don't know if I'll even use NPCs learn skills. I distribute the perks via SPID through a different way. There's Vocrinator perks for NPCs. So I'm distributing it via this. And I mean, it's the same thing. At a certain level, NPCs will get perks. Jealousy? I don't know. He doesn't believe in paying for mods, which hurts their bottom line. I don't think it's that. I don't know what it is. Like, okay, yes, I can sometimes be like not the nicest person ever, but like first of all, I don't claim to be Mother Teresa, but beyond that, the context that people don't see is like, if I get asked something over and over and over again, right, and I'm answering that, and then someone comes with like a really hostile attitude and then is like super demanding and needy and stuff, then like that's already like you know, we're gonna clash. Most of those, like, not even most, but like a good handful of those quote-unquote examples are people who, they even admitted they got into an argument with me. I timed them out and then they DM'd me, but they didn't DM to, but like some big rage. I'm not raging, no, I'm just explaining stuff. But the context that's missing is these people don't DM to just be like, oh, could I please, sir, know the reason for me being timed out? They DM, I timed them out just to like try to de-escalate stuff, and then they message, hey, fuck you, you're an asshole. How dare you time me out? My life's gonna end because I'm timed out in a Discord. You know? So I just don't see the point of going crazy and complaining about it on Reddit. Was the guy that said the models had unnecessary stuff. Yeah. Text is not an effective medium to convey emotions. Some of the message I read sounds like you're really pissed off, and then I check a live and you're really chill. That's probably it too. I mean, maybe it's because the line of work that I'm in. I tend to I have a very how do you explain it? Like a very to the point way of writing. And I want to fix this the bar here. I need to raise my health and magic gun stuff bars because that's annoying me. It's a purple. Actually, how come there's no way to like, am I losing my mind, or there's no way to anchor or to mess with the shout bar?
New donation from Raymond.
Hey Raymond, thank you for the donation. Technical writing, yeah. How long am I planning to take this mod list? Few months at least. I'm about to have a lot more time on my hands because I'm only going to be working 4 10-hour shifts, and so I'm gonna have like no free time Monday through Thursday, but then I'm gonna have 3-day weekends. I appreciate you, Sarah. I need to edit the SWF file. Oh, I don't want to do that. Okay, well, I guess what I'll do is like that though. Okay, stamina, Y. I'll move this up 4, 5, and then move that. 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's not what I want to do. Why does that look like that? Here, I hate the lines. Why are there lines? What's up with these? What's up with these lines? They're really throwing me off. It's like, why are we here, just to suffer? Okay, I have an idea though. I'm gonna move the X up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and move the Magicka back down. Am I idiot? How am I messing this up so bad? Huh? That's not doing what I want it to do. Oh, this is the player. Okay, wait. I know what I'm doing wrong. I was looking at the wrong thing. Oh, so ugly. Hmm. Okay. Okay, wait. I think I can do this. Okay. Okay, good. And then now I just need to move the magicka down. Magicka bar Y. Probably need to move the stamina bar down too. This is important, guys. A good UI is everything. That down one more. Just two more. Okay, that looks better, right? Yeah, that looks better. Although the magicka is off center. The distance between these two. Okay, it's getting there. Means there's 21 different. Hey, perfect. Hey, okay. That's good. That is good. I like that. And I can just move my level thing. Everything has to be symmetrical, guys. Chicken should be bigger. Chicken should be fluffy. I work for the IRS. I wish. Maybe I can convince them to stop stealing my money. What kind of mod list? This will be a collector's mod list. The only thing I don't know is if I want to go the route of like having it be like, I don't know if I want to add survival stuff at all. For example. Did I ever figure this out? Okay, I don't know why BFCO has not been wanting to play with dodge mods. Let me go back to BFCO. What happens when I do that? And apparently there's this weird thing where you have to like delete these every time you rerun Pandora. Use TK dodge. I heard that TK dodge doesn't work with BFCO. Maybe I'm wrong. That's what I've heard. Oh, before I do this, let me do this. Apparently, oh, right, this diverse NPC movesets. This will probably work with the BFCO all in one. I wish there was a better animation moveset set for BFCO in general. There's a lot of these ones, but a lot of these seem very like fantasy. You know what I mean? I mean like that. I don't think that's necessarily what I want. Why you want BFCO over MCO? Because this is a 1.6.1170 list, and MCO for 1.5.97 is the play, but for 1.6.1170, I'll know. Delia, great sword moveset. It's not too bad. Matthew the Dunmer has been making some BFCO movesets. and shield. But yeah, most of his stuff is for NPCs. It's not what I'm looking for. Vanilla replacers. Not have MCO or BFCO at all. Should I? Here, let me do a poll. Should Eternal Edition have vanilla like animations or BFCO/MCO? Vanilla like BFCO. Let's see what you guys think. Poll is started. I think most people want BFCO or MCO. I'm just gonna guess that that's gonna be the case. And I think honestly the main reason is probably, my guess is, a lot of people are just kind of, they don't want to see the same animations for 14 years. I think the ideal way to do it is have BFCO and MCO, but don't like cuck first person. You know what I mean? Because like my whole thing is, why play, like I like first person combat in Skyrim, but I can't do vanilla third person. Random attack animations for first person. There is. Lorem has them. And Lorem has first person stances as well. I'm so tempted to just convert MCO animations. The temptation is real. Which I might end up doing. For vanilla replacers per weapon. Yeah, and I thought about doing something like that, but now you can rename the MCO animations instead of need to edit the HKX files. Yeah. Which is a lot nicer. That's a lot nicer for sure. Which means, theoretically, I could convert all of Lorem. Does stances work? Oh god, I'm gonna get myself down another fucking modding rabbit hole. Does stances work with BFCO? I'm so tempted. Oh god. I'm gonna get myself in trouble. Okay, see what I mean? Like, dodge MCO is just not working for me. I feel like I'm missing something super obvious. Oh, is it because of true directional movement, maybe? I have no idea. PK dodge doesn't work for me either. I feel like I messed something up. Dodge MCO. Requirements. Does it really need MCO universal support? I have AMR. I don't see why I would need MCO universal support, to be honest. OAR. I have animation Q fix. Yep. Paired animation improvements. Oh, I got that as well. Behavior data injector. Oh, I have all of that. Dodge framework and optional files? Wait, where? For BFCO? I mean for BFCO itself? Or for what? Dodge framework and optional files. For Dodge MCO? Where do you see that? Where do you see Dodge framework and optional files? The Hellblade time block mod page? Maybe I have to choose modern combat instead of Distar's experience. I'm gonna be... This will be crazy if this works. I really like Hellblade, by the way, but it had some issues. If I could get one mod to not be buggy, actually there'd probably be other things I would choose, but this would be one of them. Hellblade was having issues with, I think, stamina. How'd you get Northern Roads to work? I don't know about Vortex, but I mean, okay, so One of the key advantages to Mod Organizer 2 over Vortex is you can choose exactly where your things are loading, and Northern Roads pretty much has to load last. There's very few things that should load after it. Yeah, 1.6 is a bish. And did you add Northern Roads to Lyra? I thought you were sticking to simplest. Hey, look, it's still not working. I'm telling you, there's some shenanigans. BFCO is just not wanting to work with any dodge mods. I'm not sure why. Yeah, Dodge MCO is overwritten by Dodge Framework. Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god, is that why? Because some random thing wasn't... There ain't no way. There ain't no way. Wait. Luckily, this thing, this mod list opens really fast for now. But yeah, this has Chocolate Poise, Valhalla Combat, Plus Combat. It's finicky, but you got it to work. Oh, I'll keep trying. Yeah, so MO2 has this thing where if you reinstall a mod, if you have a mod enabled and you reinstall a mod and it has new plugins, sometimes they won't activate. Because MCO sucks on 1.6 Ibra. I swear, if I press Alt... See, why though? It's still not working, man. It's just not. Acquire a perk. I doubt it. I didn't perk anything. No. Is there a way, any UI experts, is there a way to just make the text from Edge UI like actually legible? I cannot read this. Can I make the text just white? Instead of like the hardest to see font color ever. Is it a Pandora? Some people said it's a Pandora issue. I remember that as well. Some folks were saying that it's a Pandora issue. So I might have to just switch back to Nemesis. Because I don't mind using Nemesis. If I have to. DK Dodge has a fix for Pandora. But I heard that the thing with TK Dodge is, I mean, I would rather use TK Dodge if I'm being honest. But what I heard the issue was that it doesn't work at all with BFCO. I don't know if that's true or not. Because I don't like DMCO. No hate to Distar, but I think the option to dodge in first person is just super needed. Should I keep the DMCO patch then? Or no? Let me try this. DQ dodge. Alright, hopefully this works. Only meshes? Yeah, I mean, that's what this is. TK dodge for re. That's the whole point of this file right here. From the TK dodge SE page. Alright, if this works, we will be in the money. No, Jazz. Eternal is nothing like Lorem. Hell yeah, Tyler. This is a completely different list, unrelated to Lorem at all. It's like, I guess Lorem's second cousin, third cousin, I guess. Actually modding until you find a good mod list. I don't know what that means. Twice removed exactly. What the fuck is that? Okay, well the it looks like the first person dodge works. Now I'm not able to attack at all. I'm so tempted to eat BFCO. Maybe I do need the DMCO add-on for it. Guys, I can't ask. Can somebody else take over answering that question? Because I can't every time I say like, what's the premise of the list? The entire stream would be me repeating the same thing over and over again. An exclamation mark eternal command. I guess I could set one up. It's non-MCO LOTD. It's my take on an LOTD list, essentially. What's up, Space? And I wanted to just have the best quest mods available instead of just all the quest mods. No, not Bruma. LOTD is a mod. Wait, now I'm... Okay, wait. I'm getting somewhere. I mean, Lorem is basically done. Taking a break from working too much on Lorem. Yeah, this is built off NGVO. NGVO is done. Lorem is done. I mean, Lorem, it'll get one final big update, but... Yes, you really need TK Dodge SE and Re at the same time. Sent how to change color for UI and thank you chat. Oh my god, you are a fucking hero. I should be saying thank you to you. Thank you. Okay, I'll check that in a sec. Oh, Luke. Okay, yeah, I don't know what the heck is going on with this. It's actually annoying. I don't know what could be causing it. plus combat, maybe. Like, does one of these mods add its own dodge? I don't know. BFCO might not be worth it. BFCO might not be worth it. If it's gonna be doing crap like this. Yeah, 56 is the right, because that's all, right? .56 is left alt. Okay. Your load order? That's the exact load order that I had, though. I mean, maybe it's the Pandora load order is messing it up. Because you had BFCO way up top. Let me try that. And then let me do key dodge. Wait, let me uncheck TK dodge re and only check standalone, because I shouldn't have both of those checked. That might very well be the issue. I would rather have TK dodge. Okay, and then while I'm alt tabbed, let me check this. Egg UI. Actually, I should search this. Oh, this is another. This is the best, or one of the best features of Mod Organizer too. You can search a file in the data tab. And not only will you find it, you'll oh my god, it doesn't have the actual. Well, when there is a not finding the actual file. That's not the file name. No, it's just config.txt. Okay. Okay, so interface. So then you can literally just open it up directly. Pretty awesome. All right. Subtitle font size, top subtitle font color. Okay. I'm gonna replace all of these colors with the ones from Dear Dark Diary white mode, I think. I'm gonna see how that looks. Let me make a backup of this first, in case I mess something up. All right, now let's check. That worked. Check if the dodge worked. Your eyes. I remember someone posting gates to Sovereign Guard Loader and Loader Library. Saw that Northern Roads wasn't at the bottom. I wonder how much of JSerpa's Northern Roads fixes were due to loot. I don't think Gates has Northern Roads, does it? I thought the gate to Sovngarde didn't have Northern Roads. It does? Well, you never know. It was that person who posted the load order could have clicked loot, messed up the load order, and then posted it. Like, you never know. Dark mode for Docker text one. Open stuff up with Notepad++. Yeah, this shit ain't working. This is horrible. Also, that text didn't change. BFCO just might get canned. All right, let's see if it's a, or it's not a BFCO issue, right? It's a Nemesis or Pandora issue. I have iframe generator, but iframe generator is only to do immunity frames. It doesn't have to do with animations. Yeah, my guess is it's completely a Pandora issue. All right. I don't have a Nemesis. Nemesis. Then I'm gonna need the creature fix. I feel like there's another Nemesis patch that I needed. NGVO mods Nemesis. movement animation. Okay, that's not that. I think it's just those two. Okay. Nemesis. Okay, let me get rid of my Pandora output as well. Let me create a new one. Nemesis. Oh my god, I made our separator instead. Change the subtitle font. Yeah, I mean, for me, it's like... Here, one sec. Add file. It's Nemesis. All right, if this works... Guys, I got you. I got it, but clearly something is not working, so... Patient bug fix. Download. Those. Our creature bug fixes. What I like about Nemesis is it contains certain things that I actually like just by default. Okay. No, Jacob, I haven't removed Bruma yet. The cool thing is, if this works, we'll know that it was just an issue with Pandora. So, nothing lost, just information gained. Tool for checking which mods scripts are being noisy. Papyrus Profiler? The reason people still use Nemesis over Pandora? I mean, when Pandora breaks, I guess. I don't know if Pandora broke, but that's a suspect right now. Oh, I probably should have disabled the TK Dodge Pandora patch. Separators and plugins. You get the MO2 plugin manager plugin. Latest list has something chomping your script load. Yeah, Papyrus Profiler is a great tool. You'll find out so many mods that are super problematic. And getting rid of Papyrus script load actually improves performance too. Pandora! You little rascal. You little rascal, Pandora. I was using Pandora off of Nexus. Is there a GitHub version that's more up to date or something? I mean, let me try the GitHub version. Pandora GitHub. Pandora Skyrim GitHub. Well, sorry, the chat moves really fast sometimes, so especially when I'm trying to do this. So I apologize if I missed the message. Okay, well, we know that this works, so let's try with Pandora again. But with the new Pandora. All right, let's see if that works. That sounds like too much work, Nara. Does the plugin manager scrambled your load order too many times? That's strange. I haven't had issues with it. Guys, we wasted an hour trying to add dodge. Wow, that's so dumb. That's so dumb. All right, I quit mod lists. I'm gonna go do something else. Outdated. It was like I was using like 2.4. This is 2.6. 0.2 versions, and the whole thing breaks.
Citizen.
Fuck you.
Your presence is interfering with Imperial business. Be gone.
Hey, I'm just killing this guy for you. Oh my god, I can dodge. I can dodge. They all die. Now, my next issue, I don't know if this is even fixable, But I swear I read somewhere that this is a problem with the curator's companion. Oh wow, that's really weird. It's not even showing the whatchamacallit thing. It just doesn't have the curator's companion thing. I heard that this was an Edge UI issue, but I don't know if that's really the case. It will do. Oh yeah, let's start another poll actually. Should Eternal Edition have survival mechanics? Okay. No. Yes, but streamlined. CC survival. Yes, cross. Okay, so the options are between no, yes, but streamlined, aka like lighter survival mods, or like more hardcore survival mods like Frostfall and Last Seed. Like, would you guys want survival mods in a Sunhelm? I don't see the point of Sunhelm over like CC survival. Optional survival. I don't think I need MCU universal support. I want dynamic activation key add-ons. This is the same thing. Yeah, that's redundant. I'm assuming this is redundant too. Yep. That's also redundant. Link. Okay. Contextual crosshair. No, what is it? Interaction icons. Did I get this already? Yeah, I already got that. All right. So the vote now, that's surprising that, I mean, most people want survival, at least optionally, but the majority that want it optionally want CC survival. That's interesting. Hey, how's it going, Slayer? First time messaging in a live stream chat for any game? Hey, well, I'm honored to pop your chatting cherry. I'm doing well. How are you? LTD is a hit or miss for a lot of people. Yeah. Survival equals tedious. Something between CC and super hardcore. That doesn't really exist. Sunhelm is not any harder than CC survival. It's just less supported. I'm not sure why that icon's... Why is that icon not popping up now? I'm gonna reinstall Edge UI. Isn't most survival stuff fairly tedious? Well, okay, so here's my thing. Here's my take. The reason that I personally don't like the more hardcore survival stuff, and I used to enable add-on through Morehead MCN. Oh yeah, right. Okay, so the thing that throws me off about the quote-unquote realistic ones like Last Seed and Frostfall and Campfire is they're really good in theory, but the problem where they fall flat to me is there's just so menu driven, and you're sitting there like messing around with a bunch of like powers and menus and stuff, and that ruins the immersion. That's like the opposite of immersive. Whereas like CC survival, like you're hungry so you eat food that's in your inventory. You're cold so you like just plop down the little camping kit that you get or go next to a fire, you know. There's no powers to fuck around with. What happened to the compass? Oh yeah, getting rid of the compass and campfire is a hot take. Where did my... Wait. What is that mod that hides yeah, it's simple activate. X. Okay, if that fixed it. Ability to read for SR exteriors. The only power I use from last seed is manage provisions. Yeah, but I don't like the fact that the powers are even there, you know? Yeah, Aaron, that's what I was going for with Lorem. I mean, with Lorem, like the main survival stuff, right? Water, food, sleep, and cold, they're managed intuitively. Like cold isn't gonna bother you unless you go into the super cold areas. Because one thing, you know what the thing that started driving me insane about Frostfall? You go into the river and you're just dying. I get it, Skyrim and it's cold and stuff, but like all the rivers, really? You're telling me that even like Riften, which is supposed to be a warm area, is like freezing your balls off? Yeah, I feel like I really... something is just not right. I don't know why the Oblivion interaction icons are just not showing up. I have dynamic string distributor. But like on the take, it should be showing up. I don't get why. Okay, maybe something might overwrite. Plugins. I guess it's not that big of a deal, but it's like bothering me right now. Oh, I need what's the dual block mod that I use in Lorem? Dual wield pairing. This is the most must-have mod ever made. The plugins 46, I think that is V. Oh no, 47 is V. Okay, leave it as is. BFC already has it. No, it doesn't. You can't dual wield block with a spell in the other hand? I don't think it does. I don't think it has spell sword dual block. It has it for 2 swords, but not for a spell and a sword. Yeah, exactly. That's not what I want. Not being able to block as a spell sword is cringe. If anything, it should be the other way around. Spell sword should be able to block, but people using 2 weapons shouldn't, because screw using 2 weapons. Yeah, see what I mean? Like, for some reason it's it isn't some more HUD thing. That's so weird. Wondering what made it disappear. Oh, I gotta change my smooth cam. Go. Bro, I've been working on this mod list for like 2 days and you guys want an ETA already? For shame. Oh, I did add EFPS. So FPS honestly isn't too bad. I mean, this is probably the worst area. 45 while streaming in 4K. Draw calls right here go kind of nuts. 1 week challenge for real. JK's outskirts just eats FPS.
Looks like that's it.
I mean, Lorem, I worked on it for 3 months and then released the alpha, and the alpha was like super simplistic and like nowhere near. For those that remember 0.1 of Lorem, like, I mean, that was basically Asensio with some crap thrown in. This is one thing I need to do to improve FPS though. Some of this stuff, it's like, there doesn't really need to be grass growing in the mud here. See, like, FPS would just increase so much by me getting rid of mud right here. It's not even saying what landscape texture it is. Why is it trolling me? It just says base type. Something to do with Freaks Flora, All Green Tundra. 1.0 to now. Oh man. Yeah, there's still a video for 1.0 Lorem. JK's mashup with Rens. I have heard, and I don't know if this is true, some people have told me that the combo of Rens plus JK's is better than Rens by itself, because the occlusion planes are better. I can neither confirm nor deny, but that's just what I've been told. What's up, I know? Got the overlapping music. Now, in terms of quest mods, Well, actually, I need to nail down the gameplay stuff first. Still haven't added a faith mod. You guys already know what I'm gonna pick. Okay. Yeah, Winter Sun. I did pick a Standing Stone mod as well as a race overhaul. I might not go with Heritage. I don't know. I might go with Aljo's race and class mod. Because this is pretty cool. I mean, I don't really have to, actually. I could use this just for classes. Because the races and heritage are more interesting. So, I could just have this load before heritage. That's fine. I'm just like comparing. There's other class mods out there, but it might be too much to add classes as well. But like, you know, Nord's frost resistance is increased by 50. But like in this one, it's really cool. Like Nord's, you have 25% frost resistance, and power attacks have a 10% chance to cost no stamina. The chance is doubled while under the effects of a beverage. I mean, it feels like a lot more roleplay-y. Okay, a Winter Sun. And for now, I'm not going to use traits. How can you make your own traits to add to the traits mod? God, what did I just do? I mean, do you know how to mod? Do you know how to use Xedit and script and stuff? I mean, are you trying to make an add-on mod or help us with the main mod? Oh, I know what it is. It was just an ingestible item. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you can contact myself or Jazda in Discord. All right, Winter Sun. The only thing that sucks about Winter Sun is it makes a lot of cell edits. Like a lot. And you kind of need patches for it, for certain things. LOTD Hall of Heroes Winter Sun Nocturnal patch. What's Hall of Heroes? Is that just a thing in LOTD? I'm so out of the loop when it comes to LOTD. You saw stars? Oh, stars in the sky. I was like, are you like okay? Like, did you see stars? Like, did you almost pass out when you were seeing stars? Hall of Heroes is the first main Hall Museum. Oh, okay. So that is probably something that I want. Skooma. Hell yeah. What is this? It's missing DBM Winter Sun patch. Oh, the Dragonborn Museum. Yeah. Next. Wait. Hold up. Wait. What was that? And I'm clicking the wrong thing. I have no idea. There it is. Okay. Other Winter Sun stuff. Winter Sun Textures Reborn. Oh god. I don't know what I thought I was gonna see. Okay, I mean, I guess I can get this. That was a risk it for the biscuit moment. mean, yeah, Kick. I mean, I've tested. What call it? For the I've tested community shaders. Wintersun needs AE patches? I will do the skill rate. Turn div. Thank you. Take both of those. Gameplay. Yes. I got the answer from an insider. Eternal modless scope is vanilla plus. An actual vanilla plus list. I don't know who told you that. That is not the case. This is not a vanilla plus list. Exactly, Tasho. Exactly. What is this losing to? Right, alternative. Yeah, I'd rather have that. All right. More interesting, Kenrith and Jeff. Vanilla plusy? Nah. VR looks amazing in VR. I'll switch to community shaders once the lighting outside is better. Interiors look good. But yeah. Do you use loot at all? Nope. I put things approximately where they need to go and then eventually patch it all and exit it. And then I also take notes while I'm in exit it. Like if I see that I don't need to patch something, if I could just fix it with load order, I'll write myself a little note and then I'll move it afterwards. But yeah, oh, this is gonna be so busted. Like having CS and ENV as user choice. And that's what I do in Lorem. Blessings of Akatosh upon ye. Right. We got the faith overhaul cooking. Why is the custom skills shit all fucked up? That's what I want to know. Do custom skills like not work with I mean, I don't mind not having custom skills, but does Edge UI like bust them or something? It doesn't work with the latest custom skills framework or something? Oh, it's because I need custom skill menu, right? Am I tripping? Yeah. But now, okay, so you know what I could do? I could add the... What is it called? There's that custom skill mod that came out. The Stormcrown needs the actual menu thing though. Skills merged. What I want. Constellations. Yeah. So this adds 3 new ones to the actual main thing, which is pretty cool. But I don't know if this works with static skill leveling. I don't think it does. This is a bummer. It's a good 7. That's fine. I'm just gonna get the unified menu thing. I'll grab these as well. That's cool. Constellations got added to that thing too. Paper ones. Yay. Alright, that should make it appear. 5 months later, clickbait YouTuber trailers released with another 5 months of sounds. Wait, is that what happened? Do you experience any random crashing alarm? I had one issue yesterday that I resolved, pretty sure. I tend not to crash, but we had a big find today. So yeah. Looks should generally be pretty low. Yeah. General load order for stuff is like graphical stuff, most like graphical stuff at the top, right? Then you want your city overhauls, city and world space and whatnot. And then you want your gameplay overhauls. And then Embers, then Lux, then Water for A and B, then the Water for A and B Lux patch, and then Northern Roads, and then any combo patches, and then... Does it just kick me out? No skill tree found. I thought I added Storm Crown. Does the skill like not show up and does the skill not show up unless you become a Dragonborn? I don't get it. So like it won't even show up in the... But I swear I've seen it before, that you start with the skill tree. Huh. That must be different then. There's a... EXP patch for it. I like subclasses of Skyrim. This one should show up no matter what. But so the nice thing about the plugin manager is you see these files that don't have lightning bolts at all. You know for a fact that doesn't conflict with anything. Meaning if you add this mod, there's no conflicts, none. Like plugin could load last, it could load first, it doesn't matter. And then like you can see easily here with this is just being overwritten by the add-ons mod for it, so it's unlikely to have conflicts. Should always double check, but still. Like these are just keywords. Keywords, it's all the same thing. Most of these are using like a unified keywords system. How do you add unique armor to NPCs? NPCs have a outfit record in Xedit. And you just find that outfit record and you can edit whatever you want to it. So you can just click on an NPC in Xedit and you scroll down. I think it's right after their skills, but before their like physical appearance records. It's like towards the bottom middle. It's in the middle towards the bottom. And yeah, you can just click on that record, add whatever you want. I mean, I can show you an example real quick. Hey, the Destiny perk is there. Like, let's find an NPC. Gervar. So his base ID is 1A69D. He wants to 69 those Ds. Okay. Oh, he might not work because he's sky patched. He's getting a sky patched outfit. Sky patcher always takes place after. Camilla, you are not sky patched.
Maybe you could talk some sense into my pick.
All right, so let's give this gargoyle some armor. 1347B. Okay, I'll show you. 47B was it, or D? There, we'll give her this nice dress. Okay. So I'll add the armor mod. Show this as a quick example. 7B, yeah, okay. Asho's legend. Your eyes are gonna be fine. Okay, so find the NPC record that you want to edit. As you can see here, it's Camilla. Now, in a real situation, you'd probably wouldn't take the synthesis patch. You'd probably just do whatever I'm about to do and then rerun synthesis. But for this example, take the last record except for synthesis. In a real example, but in this case, I'll just use synthesis because I don't feel like rerunning it. You just go to the last record, copy as override into, and you just call it SE outfit changes or whatever. So Camilla has a default outfit record right here. See? Farm close outfit 01. Now you can hold control to and then click to go directly to a record. Now if you were to edit this record here, you would be changing the outfit of every single person who wears farm clothes outfit 01. So all of the farmers would have this outfit. So instead what you can do is right click this and copy as new record into, and then you can just change the editor ID, call it Camilla sexy outfit, and then add it to your same plugin that you just made. All right. So now you got this Camilla sexy outfit, right? You can right click this, change form ID just to copy this form ID. Or you can get the form ID either from the top or you see it also down here. And then you just go scroll down and you double click this and paste. And so now her outfit is going to be Camilla sexy outfit, which is still the boots and the belted tunic. But we want to add this fuse armor instead, right? So it's not going to let us add it directly. What we have to do is you go to the same thing and then add masters. And you're going to add the armor mod as a master of your outfit changes thing. And now we can add these in. You can do it a number of ways. If you search, if you start typing the editor ID, you'll see it pop up there. Or you can go to all of these, change form ID, copy it, paste. You can add a new item. So gloves, boots. All right. Now Camilla gets the gloves, the boots, and the armor. Save this. Exit that out. Enable our mod. Run the game. Outfits tend to be baked into saves, so you can just use the reset inventory thing if you're not starting a new game. But we should see her outfit change. But it's honestly pretty simple. Xedit is just a bunch of like reading what the things are. Like the outfit record is called outfit. Then you click on the record and you see what items are in there. Most of Xedit is like super intuitive. A guard with one single actor reference if I want variation. If you want variation, you have to use leveled lists. See, that's her outfit. Oh, I think I only downloaded the 3BA conversion, not the textures. So, but either way, you see that you got the outfit. She's happy. Oh God. Leveled lists are a lot more so I'll show you how to do a leveled list with if you want an outfit variation. So I'll show it real quick. No, stop and smell. No, this is not Lorem. All right, so with a leveled list, it's a little bit different. Basically, okay. So let me just take a leveled list that is an example. Okay. This works, I guess. Yeah. I'm just going to copy this into the outfit changes thing. I just need one leveled list. Okay. So for a leveled list, you could do it one of two ways. You could have each piece of gear be its own leveled list. Like, you know, a leveled list for boots, a leveled list for chest piece, leveled list for gloves. Or you can have it be completely different outfits. Either one works. But what matters the most are the flags here. And so it's tedious as hell, but you basically need to make more like leveled lists within leveled lists. Okay. So in this case, you have her outfit is this leveled list, and within this leveled list you have 3 other leveled lists, and each one is calculated for each item. And then within these leveled lists, this is where you would put your armor set, like steel plate, armor, and then let's say in this one you put or other outfit or whatever. But you got to make sure that in these last ones you use the use all flag, because if you don't use the use all flag, then it's gonna calculate them each individually. Does that make sense? Yeah, so like this one can be an armor set, sorry, a steel set. This one can be hide. This one can be fur. And then it'll just have a random chance per each one. And then if you want one of them to have a greater chance, you can just increase the amount of them that there are. So like now this one, it'll be this one half the time and the other 2 quarter of the time. We have a level list for the character, and then we have a level list for each outfit for that character. Yeah, exactly. And I'm sure if you like, there's probably like an example of Skyrim doing that. Oh, I mean, yeah, this is an example. So, like, I mean, this one separates it by level, but for this, the Imperial armor outfit could be either set 1, set 2, or set 3. And by level 20, by level 16, it'll have 3 different options available. And then each of these is a different set of armor. So like this one is the armor Imperial with some light stuff. This is all light stuff. This one is the heavier stuff and the officer stuff. Can you use the leveled list for certain parts, like use an outfit for boots and leveled lists for armor? The game typically doesn't like you mixing leveled lists and non-leveled lists. I mean, you could, like, if you did clothes for this would mean she would get clothes plus whatever she ends up getting from the leveled list. Yeah, I mean, you could technically do that. If you wanted them each to have their one specific chest piece or something. You should not use SPID for armor. Yeah, SPID has a lot of issues. SPID is great. You should not use it for armor or clothing distribution. I learned that the hard way. Skypatcher is okay, but even that has some limitations. The best way to do it is manually. The best possible way is to do it manually. It'll make it boot up quicker, and it'll give you more control over what the NPCs actually wear. I mean, I can show you Lorem's outfit distribution. There are so many mods for distributing armor with SPID. Yeah. I mean, here, I'm gonna show you something disgusting. I'm gonna make you guys vomit in your mouth. But it'll be worth it. Reload quick menu for spells crashing. That's interesting. Alright, this got fixed, I think. Welcome back, Quex. All right. Tutorial series. I have some videos. Yeah, I agree, Astro. Skypatcher's biggest two downsides are, number one, Skypatcher, like for armors, usually the mods are assuming that you're using vanilla leveled lists. So if you're not, if you use like Moro Loot or Requiem or something, it's not going to be compatible. The other issue is, like I said earlier, it runs after ESPs, so it'll overwrite anything in the base game. So for Lorem, I just don't have any Skypatcher or SPID outfits. All right, look at the Lorem outfit distribution. This has 145 masters. Look at. Wait, these are individual NPCs that I've edited? This is how many NPCs I've added outfits to? Unique named ones. And then here are my leveled list edits. So if you wonder why Lorem has such cool armor variety and stuff for, you know, bandits and whatnot, it's because I've manually edited so much crap. I think I spent a month on this. Just this. Like nothing else. So yeah. I spent so much time on this. I spent so much time on tweaking food. I spent so much time on consistency patching the armors and stuff. So yeah. Oh, I need to is there a reason I didn't forward this over? Where is this? Doesn't have. This should have that. I think I was changing the model and I just forgot to move that over. It's not that big of a deal, but. And I gave that a different armor set. Okay. Anyway. Updating CFPAO. I don't know. Skypatcher config files will need to be added. Form IDs. I thought Skypatcher tends to use editor IDs, or am I tripping? Can I make all my WebJect lists use the same archive downloads? Yes. You can even delete the archives after. I appreciate you live streaming stuff like this. I have no desire to make a mod list. It still helps with customizing Breakroom 11. Yeah, no problem. Oh, do you guys want to know how to you guys want to know how to rule 11 a like weapon mod in Lorem, but like the correct way, not the lazy way? Like you could do it with weapons or armors and or whatever. I like showing people stuff like this. All right. This will give you the right stuff all the time. All right, watch this. All right, just add. Don't file reports when you do this, but I'm just telling you. Okay. So enable your weapon or armor mod. On the right side over here, you're pretty much always going to want it to be before Lux. So lux.esp, or actually Lux Orbis. As long as you're before Lux Orbis, you're probably going to be okay. I mean, sometimes you'll have something like this that adds world space, but at least your lighting isn't going to mess up. All right, but this stuff is pretty cool. writers will be mad that they get banned Rule 11 support and they can't see Rule 11. People will be mad regardless. Someone's gonna watch this and then be like, oh, I followed your guide. What's wrong with me following a report? But with this method, you don't even have to run a rectificator. Hey, you guys all owe me 250 bucks. Mod called Ever Edge. Yeah, no rectificator because you're just gonna get the correct values. Okay, so Ever Edge, right? Oh, this adds armor too. Okay, well for now, I'm just gonna mess with the weapon. I'll show you a weapon as an example. Here, I'll do one weapon, one constructible object, and one armor piece. Okay. So what you want to do is just find your weapon or armor or whatever. And you also want to see what type of material it's trying to be. So this is Nordic steel, right? So do the same thing, copy as override into, and I'll call it a new ESP flagged as ESL, Ever Edge Rectificated. So just copy that over. Copy over the Ever Edge Nordic Steel Shield, sure. And then for constructible objects, you'll usually have two recipes per object. One is going to be the recipe to craft it, and the other is going to be the recipe to temper it. Okay? All right. So now, here is the fun part. We take a look at the Ever Edge Steel Shield, right? We said it's a Nordic Steel Shield. So what I'll do is search requiem.esp, and I'll go to armor, and I'll sort by editor ID. And Requiem does a really good job of sorting stuff. It'll say rec heavy or rec_light. But in this case, it's a Nordic shield. That'd be a that'd be a Quicksilver shield, right? Now I'm gonna remove this filter by name thing while highlighting the shield, and then I'm gonna go to the last record. I'm gonna right click and jump to this record. Now this last record is highlighted. This last record is my armor merges that has all of the correct values and keywords and everything. Now I'm gonna search my Ever Edge Rectificated. I'm gonna hold Control and click on this shield. Right click, compare selected. Now I can see side by side the difference between the Quicksilver shield and Requiem and the Ever Edge shield here. So I can just copy over the keywords that need to be copied over. It's missing an armor heavy keyword. It's missing this tempering keyword. It asks to use a master. Yes. Change the value, change the weight, change the armor rating. And then you do the same thing with the weapons. So, weapon, rec, in this case it'd be rec, weapon, Quicksilver sword. Again, go to the last record, jump to, search edge, highlight, compare these two records. over the keyword, move over the value, move over the damage, the speed, the reach, and the critical damage. Requiem.esp, inspectable object, and then, I mean, you get the idea. It'll be under Requiem Forge. Did I go to construct? I'm over. Got it. Yo, Luca. Hey, thank you so much, Luca. I appreciate you. So you see the constructible objects too. Jump to this. I didn't pick the right item, but I'm just kind of blitzing through this, and then you can compare them, and then see the items required to craft it. You can copy over. Yada yada. The only thing you don't want to copy over is like just see what it's asking, because created object, you don't want to copy this over, because if you did, then your recipe would make a dwarven dagger instead of the Everedge sword. You want to have the same like conditions and items required and stuff like that. But yeah, this is how I consistency patched all of the weapons and armors in Lorem. That's why in Lorem you create a steel helmet from a mod, and it's going to have the same recipe requirements. It's going to have the same stats and everything as the vanilla variant. Anyway, I'm gonna end it off there, guys. Sorry, we kind of got sidetracked towards the end and spent an hour just trying to add dodging. But hopefully that was useful to some of you guys. Yeah. What's just better in B and CS? Each has its pros and cons. Works for your ADD brain. It's kind of fun to do the consistency patching because it's, I don't know. It's a weird little, for me, it hits a weird little OCD part of my brain. That's always a good time. But anyway, guys, take care and have a good Wednesday, and I'll catch you on the next one.